Hi, welcome back. We're going to be covering Section 3 of the Framework Basics course. We will go into more detail into handling conversation with FormFlow dialogues. First, we're going to be covering a quick introduction of FormFlow. After that, we'll move more into an overview of the basics. We will then have a look at how to build a FormFlow dialogue, and then we will be building our own bot using FormFlow. So join me for the next video, FormFlow, a quick introduction. In this video, we're going to be explaining exactly what FormFlow is, as well as how you can use it to manage scenarios. We'll finish off by explaining the benefits of FormFlow. So the first thing we need to do is just give an explanation of what exactly FormFlow is. Now, as you know, we can have more dialogues built into our bot, and that will allow us to have more flexibility. But one of the most difficult aspects of creating a bot is being able to handle the conversational flow with the user. If we would have to handle all the logic ourselves, the complexity of creating a bot would really skyrocket. Luckily, the bot framework provides an API that can handle this. This API is named FormFlow. FormFlow allows us to rather seamlessly create a sequence of events and provide structure for a conversational flow. It guides the user through use of form filling and can be combined with other kinds of dialogues. It's probably best explained by use of an example. So here's a dialogue chain that you might see when placing an order at an online store. The bot's asking questions and the user answers them, almost like filling in a form. However, how would you manage different scenarios? Because at the moment, it might look the same as when we built our dialogues before. But what happens, for example, if the user submits the wrong answer and wants to change it? Well, you could program for this probability of a user changing the answer, or you could program that the dialogue chain needs to start back at the beginning. But that's a bit of a pain. Also, there's other kind of things that might happen. For example, what's happened here is that instead of submitting the date in short form, the user has submitted it in long form. So we would need to program in the possibility that the user needs to also change their answers or perhaps submit in the wrong format, and many other different scenarios. Luckily, this is where FormFlow API comes in and does a bit of the heavy lifting for us by using the FormFlow technology. So what are the benefits of FormFlow? Well, basically, a FormFlow dialog guides the user through filling in the form while providing help and guidance along the way. This basically means that we have a lot more options for a lot less effort. Some of the things that FormFlow can manage is ambiguity, providing help, going back or showing progress. There are many other benefits as well, but we will cover all of this when we build our own bot using FormFlow. So in summary in this video, we've now learned what exactly FormFlow is, how to manage scenarios in FormFlow, as well as the benefits of FormFlow.